Endocube, a green solution for the food and beverage industry. Invented by British engineers and scientists and patented globally, the Endocube has been widely tested in numerous refrigeration units worldwide. It is proven to lower energy consumption by as much as 30%. How does it work? It's a simple device that fits right over the thermostat probe on a commercial refrigerator or freezer. Inside Endocube is a material that has been proven to mimic the properties of food and beverage. Now, rather than responding to rapidly fluctuating air temperature, Endocube allows the unit to respond to food temperature instead. That seems to make sense. Of course it does. Refrigeration units works on a series of cycles with a thermostat probe using air temperature to trigger the on-off cycles of the compressor. With Endocube installed, the number of compressor cycles is dramatically reduced. Why? Because now the probe is reading the simulated food product inside Endocube, which responds to temperature changes far more gradual than air. Okay, so what's the big deal? Well, if the compressor is cycling on and off less often, it will last longer. Just ask anyone in the refrigeration business. Look at this recent case study from a walk-in refrigerator at a Chick-fil-A. Without Endocube, the compressor cycled 41 times in a 12-hour period. With Endocube, it cycled 14 times in a 12-hour period. That's a 66% reduction in compressor cycles after the installation of Endocube. Now you may be asking, is the food safe? Which is a great question. Since the compressor is cycling less with longer run times, a phenomenon known as thermal inertia is created in the food. This is a scientific term for the thermal energy that builds up in food during the cooling cycle. Simply put, your food stays colder longer and at a more consistent temperature. You see, Endocube was first invented as a food safety product and has been approved by the NSF, the premier testing agency for certifying equipment associated with food handling. The benefit of longer run cycles of your compressor is the increased efficiency of the refrigeration unit. In some cases, this will mean that you'll need to actually raise the set point to maintain the pre-Endocube temperature in the box, again increasing the efficiency. And since the compressor is cycling up to 80% less, the large energy draw necessary to start the compressor each cycle is also greatly reduced. After Endocube, most compressors use between 10 and 30% less energy, and this has been proven in multiple case studies. Altogether, this means you will save money. Now, will this be great for the environment? Absolutely. Remember, commercial refrigeration accounts for 20% of the world's energy used on the planet. Endocube, an affordable option to lower refrigeration's impact on a company's bottom line and, most of all, the environment. Endocube, a common sense solution.